So guys, the program of today is to do the other side of the coast in direction of La Caleta, see Torviscas Playa, El Duque and La Caleta, and then the afternoon paragliding. So I'm so excited, and let's see what brings the day. It's day number 5, so let's go. So guys, here we go. We are in this is Torviscas, and in behind you can see Fañable Playa, La Playa de Fañable. So it's quite busy beach right now. But it's a nice place to hang out, have a drink. What do you think, guys? I'm with my 2 mates that I meet as well from the hostel. I'm enjoying with them. We are in Discovery, so that's fine. So guys, this is the other side of Fañable beach. Like you can see, there's a lot of hotel, sorry. It's quite awesome, the landscape. So guys, this is El Duque Plaza. We go in direction of La Playa del Duque. It's quite busy. You always find around on the coast a lot of people playing music. That's quite nice. And this is La Playa del Duque. I prefer actually this beach because it's less people than the other one. You can see the landscape. A lot of restaurants all around. It's like 3D. 3D. So still El Duque Playa. Just going down in direction of La Caleta. As you can see, the beach on the Caleta, the sand is really dark. It's the original sand, not like in the other touristic beach where it's imported. The sand is really natural, thick, it's different, and it's more quiet like beach. Perfect. And the other side, obviously, all the hotels, really touristic. So see, this is after El Duque. It's called the Beach of Dreams. Each tower is like a dream for one person. This is so cool and so cute. What do you think about it? You just have to follow the coast, honestly, and you see all this for free. So this is the end of El Duque, and we are going in direction of La Caleta. So guys, right now we are in La Caleta. As you can see, all the coast, the nice restaurants. It's really calm and peaceful. So my plan today now is to eat with some girls, meet via hangout. We're gonna go to the restaurant and eat some Canarian food because it's cheaper and it's better. It's seafood, or you know what. So let's enjoy. Now guys, I'm on my way to eat in the restaurant La Caleta. Here is really cheap and everything, so £10 for a full menu. So let's try some juicy food. Now guys, I'm in the restaurant and I'm with the girls, and as you can see we have a lot of seafood. This is the calamar and this is the sepia. I'm in love with the sepia, grilled sepia. I don't know how we're gonna do to go back to normal food in London. So this is a good food that we're gonna eat tonight, this afternoon.
Oui, moi je suis très. Ouais, bah,
I'll let you know.
Oui, ça, c'est-
I just come out of the restaurant, it was delicious. I really recommend this place. All the plates are around £10, €10. So really it's a good place to go to eat, seafood and really enjoy. It's close to the sea. So perfect, and as you can see the sun is really high and it's really hot today like always. So I'm gonna make a round to the beach before going to the paragliding, where I need to dress up really hot because it's in the mountains. So I think we're gonna go in the mountain of La Caleta for the paragliding. So I try to prepare myself. Maybe I need to take 1 or 2 shots before to have the courage to do it. But I really don't want to go home right now because 1 week is crazy here. It's like I don't know, guys. I want to change life. London, the rain, the cold, the snow. No, no more. Anyway, I see you later. So guys, I'm about to fly soon. Um, I'm really scared. Look, there is a lot of people. It's quite high. So, and I hope it's not gonna rain, but I'm really excited.
We have